Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. Let us transcribe and sound these words together. Before the transcription, there is need for us to quickly open up the slashes. And that's exactly what I am doing right now. I'm done. Oh, the first one here is heated. Heated. And the next one is melted. And this one is visited. This one is gifted. And this one is limited. My tea is looking somehow. Yeah. Okay, we'll close them up so we can sound them together. Heated, melted, visited, gifted, limited. Heated, melted, visited, gifted, limited. Okay, I'll go over it just once more. Heated, melted, visited, gifted, limited. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.